Okay, practice problem 5, we should be solving and checking. So step 1, look at the denominators. There's only one. It's a 5. I'm going to multiply all of the terms by 5. How many terms are there? Well, 1, 2, 3. So we're multiplying by 5. So it'll be 5 over 1 times 1/5, and then the parentheses. Ooh, yikes. It's way too sloppy. The parentheses, 3m minus 6 plus 5 times m equals 5 times 2. Simplify. The 5s go away. This is going to be a 1 on the outside, okay? 3m minus 6 plus 5 times m is 5m equals 5 times 2 is 10. If I distribute the 1, I just get exactly what I have without the parentheses. 3m minus 6 plus 5m equals 10. Combine like terms. It's the m's. Add them together and get 8. Step 3, I don't have to do it. I only have variables on one side. They're over here. I need to get constants on the other side. So I got to get rid of this minus 6 by doing the opposite. 8m equals 16. Last step, isolate by dividing. M equals 2. I think. Check. You must check by plugging into the original, okay? So we have 1/5. Everywhere we see an m, we're putting a 2 in its place. 3 times 2 minus 6 plus 2 equals 2. So 1/5. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. We get 2 equals 2. That means we are right. So our answer is m equals 2. So if this were the exit ticket, first they would ask me, what did you multiply by to get rid of your fractions? You would say, I multiplied by 5. So, question 2 is going to ask you, what did you get when you solved it? You're going to type in m equals 2. No capital, just m equal sign 2. Third question, when you checked it, what number did you get on both sides? You would type in 2. So you have one more practice problem, then you'll be ready for your exit ticket.